Hello, Pramod.
Hello, how are you?
This is my friend Pramod Rao Thomas, one of the most learned and patient person I've ever come across.
Hello.
Hello.
Don't go by his humble looks. His head is a storage of knowledge. He helps people to learn more about life through the Bible and is a very active member of the Bible Society of India. He's dedicating returns or anything.
So is the Bible Society of India going to change my life? Or this man's knowledge?
My son, the Bible Society has transformed many lives in the deepest and the darkest corners of this country. And I'm sure it will transform yours too.
So how did Sir William Carey, actually stationed in Kolkata, develop the entire East? There were no mobile phones or air travels back then. So how did he reach people and all the other tribes?
Yes, he did. Yet, the future was already planned by the grace of the Lord. And by the people who stood by the faith in Jesus Christ, here we are. It's wonderful to know about Bible Society of India. It's fulfilling the commandment of Lord. Go and make disciples. Not only this, being the second largest consumer of newsprint, the BSI, after the Government of India, BSI is very clear in the commitment towards its goal.
Now let me take you to Bangalore and you will realize at what level the work is being done day in and day out. And most important, the vision of BSI.
You know about our official press where the first Holy Bible was printed? You must take this young man to Kerala and show how it was. And I must tell you here about St. Thomas, one of the 12 apostles of Jesus Christ who came to Kerala to spread the word of God. And you know what he said? He said, "My God and my Lord." In verse 28, chapter 20, Gospel of John. You can read it yourself in the Holy Bible. I'll tell you, my son, just by telling "my God and my Lord" will make a connection. And belonging to Him will make a way for you.
What are you saying? Is all this true? I wonder how Holy Bible brings out such transformation. I really want to meet these people.
So, are you amazed by these transformations? It will give you goosebumps when you would come to know how the Holy Bible has transformed these headhunters into normal civilians with education. And this was possible only because of the true knowledge given by God in the Holy Bible. There are many communities which doesn't have scriptures even today. So young persons like you has actually taken the burden. In fact, God has chosen him to handwrite the Bible in the language of his tribe in English font.